Hey there, money movers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the nitty-gritty of international transfers. Today, we're diving into how to send money from Canada to New York in 2025. With the evolving financial landscape, sending money has never been easier or faster. Whether you're paying for a New York apartment, sending gifts to family, or handling business deals, this guide will get you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First off, why 2025? Well, by now, digital advancements like blockchain and AI-driven apps have made transfers quicker and cheaper. The key is choosing the right method. Start by selecting a reliable service. Options like Wise, PayPal, or traditional banks like RBC or TD Bank offer seamless transfers. Wise is a favorite for its low fees and real-time exchange rates. Always check the current CAD to USD rate to avoid surprises. Step 1. Set up your account. If you're using an app like Wise, download it, sign up with your Canadian bank details, and verify your identity, usually just a quick ID upload. Pro tip. Use two-factor authentication for extra security in this digital age. Step 2. Enter the recipient's information. You'll need their New York bank account details, including routing numbers and address. Double-check everything to prevent delays. For 2025, many services now support instant transfers via partnerships with U.S. banks, so your money could arrive in minutes. Step 3. Review and confirm. Look at the fees, exchange rate, and total amount before hitting send. Fees can vary. Apps like Wise might charge 0.5 to 1%, while banks could be higher. Also, consider any 2025 regulations, like enhanced anti-fraud measures, to keep your transaction safe. Finally, once sent, track your transfer through the app or bank's portal. Most services send a confirmation email, and funds typically land in 1 to 3 business days. There you have it, folks. Sending money from Canada to New York in 2025 is straightforward with the right tools. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Safe transferring. See you in the next video.